Dude, the alpha sounds so good. What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? What's up, chat? You guys want to unbox something with me quick? All right, I know this is not the bear. Oh, God. I don't know why this box is so big for this keyboard. Look at this box, dude. I don't know if you guys can catch it, but it like rotates depending on the angle you look at it. Doesn't really work that well here. Oh, here, look at that. Pretty neat. So nice.
Hey, Alex.
Thank you, Jenners. I appreciate you, tier 1. What's going on? How you doing? Oh, guys. I would like to point out that I'm hella awkward in person. So nice. Someone like said hi to me in public yesterday. And like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was in trouble. That's why they're like, they said, are you Alex? And I was like, yeah. I felt like saying, who's asking? Why are you guys asking? Who am I in trouble? And then I was so tired yesterday. I just felt I felt like I was being so awkward, chat. Don't you guys, I don't know, don't you guys ever feel like that? If someone like, even if it's your friend who like kind of calls your name out and you don't recognize them right away, I kind of always feel like I'm in trouble, dude. This is interesting. It's like, it's creating this rotating effect. Yeah, this one, god damn it, dude. Why is this so difficult to get out? What's the point of even this piece of plastic here? Oh wait, was that on? Oh, that's just on. Oh, that's kind of neat. What a cool visual effect. Didn't realize that. Oops. Hi, Rusty. What's going on, dude? Rusty, do you see it? It's right over here. If you guys didn't know, this is Rusty's. Wait, what color did they send? Oh, this is pretty. Look at this pink. Ooh. Ooh. That's actually hella cute, dude. Dude, that's actually really cute. Yeah. So nice. Melanie, thank you so much. So I appreciate your tier 1 and your 12 months of being here. Thank you, thank you. I like the badge being multicolored. Like, it's just a nice like little flare of color. Oh, this is cute. I really like this. This is the Wind X98. So this should be, when we get to this should be a really interesting build too. Yeah, this would look good with Osame Sakura. I agree completely. All right, well that's cool. We can take a look at this in a few. And today, guys, we're doing the bear. No, Blaze, they didn't. They didn't ask for a Moon Tower giveaway. Low-key, I'm kind of glad they didn't, because I think I would have caved and actually decided to do a Moon Tower giveaway that same day. But low-key, kind of glad they didn't, dude. So there's some foam and stuff. Sorry, they sent the PCB and stuff separately just because they had sent another PCB. So this is the PCB and plate and foam and stuff. This is so lovely that it's hot swap. I really didn't have the energy to solder today. Oh, I like that. Come on, chat. It's freaking cute. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Look how cute this is. Hi, Alpha. How you doing, dude? Alex, what keyboard are you using right now? This is the Keycult 265. I think what's really making this keyboard seem a little bit more fresh, like, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I think it's the keycap set. I think typically with this keyboard, I use darker colored keycaps, and using something brighter is really like, I don't know, I kind of like it. It's refreshing on this board. No, Alpha, those I'm using next week. I'll be using that next week. Okay. Cool. Can we see the bottom? Yeah. Here's the bottom section over here. In terms of compatibility, it looks like it has, is that a step caps option? That is step caps option. There's an LED for that too, which is nice. Everything else looks pretty fixed from my standpoint for hot swap though, chat. Alex, how is gaming on an Alice? You know, I get this question a lot. And the honest answer is, to me, it's no different. Like, I don't know if anyone here games on an Alice and maybe has like a different opinion than me, but we have an alu plate as well. I do believe the change is actually the few things on the from the R1. I believe it's this. I can't remember now off the top of my head. Marcy, if you wanted like a detailed breakdown, I know Marcy had like a super detailed breakdown. But there is some changes between the R1 and R2. I'm actually excited to try the R2 because it seems a little bit more, I hate using this word, but like more refined internals. So that's kind of cute. Kind of like a refinement going on. I don't know if we'll use mid-plate foam, so maybe we'll just leave this here for now. Pretty awesome though. Alright, so there's some screws in here we'll take out. Personally, still haven't found that difference. But maybe that is just me, chat. Alright, perfect. We got some feet in our gaskets here, it looks like too, which we'll put on here in a bit. Now, I believe the first prototype PCB, yeah, they moved the JST connector. So that's why this is now on that side. Actually, this was the solderable PCB, if you guys wanted to look at this one here. As you can see, a few more options here and there, but still a pretty fixed layout. Is this a different plate? Oh, there's two different color plates they sent. Silver and like a darker gunmetal, I guess, or a gray. Low-key like the gray a lot. I might use the gray, chat. So I actually haven't looked at the Bear yet, the one that I got here. So we'll take a look too. Alright, let's grab the top. Let's put this back. I think this is gonna look so nice. Oh yeah. Dude, I've been really liking dark gray boards. The little Bear logo over there. Yeah, it looks good. Thank you again, dude. I appreciate that, Zepsody. This is nice, actually. There's the Bear. This is cute. Dude, like I said, I've been really liking these a lot. There's the Bear logo on the back. Yeah, dark gray is nice. Let's put our feet on, too. And from what I understand too, versus the R1, this does have a little, almost like a space gray. Yeah, kind of actually. This does have a little bit of a different frame to it. I don't even know what keycaps we're gonna use today. Maybe I'm thinking Dracula. But very nice. I'm very excited to build this. It's been a while since we've done an Alice. What are your thoughts on the new V2 layout compared to the V1? I kind of like the new one more. Like, I think just everything about the Bear V2 is nicer to me than the V1, to be completely honest. Okay, so this is done. So now let's open this up. Did I miss a little? Oh, the screws are right there. I was like, where are all the screws for this keyboard? Did you do the Moon Tower giveaway yet? I don't know who's spreading around this false rumor, chat. Stevie said, do you give away the key code? I'm not giving away, dude. Came here for Moon Tower giveaway. I don't know who's lying to you guys. But, that's probably not happening. Is that your key cult on your desk? Yes, this is my personal key cult. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. These gaskets are a little... Oh, there's two different sizes. Wait, was more plush supposed to go on the bottom? Oh yeah, I'm assuming so. More plush is supposed to go on the bottom. One's 2.5, one's 2. All right, blue bonnet switches. They actually kind of look cool on this plate. Feels like most Twitch YouTube people do both have VOD channels nowadays. I don't know, dude. I guess like content wise, I just do whatever I feel like. It's good to have a schedule, and I try to have a schedule with like the stuff that I just want to do whatever I feel like with. But dude, this cable's so tiny. Everything else I've just been kind of like whatever with. YouTube VODs are a million times better. All smart TVs have YouTube and people like to watch them in the background. We still do hyperlapses, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should. I'll still consider it, guys. I'm still considering it. Alex, is the alexotos VODs YouTube channel yours? No, I think that's fan made. What camera do you use for your photography? I use the Fuji X-T3. Yeah, huh? Okay, so the long ones, there's like a different size. I didn't realize that. The long ones, I think, go up top. They're just ever so slightly longer. Man, I love the Bear. It is pretty. Look at the back. It is definitely really nice. Put these away. EOS, oh dude, Canon EOSs are not too bad of a camera. I would say that's a pretty good little piece of gear you have there. I was looking into the X-T3, I ended up pre-ordering the Canon R7. Canon's still really good. Like if you guys are getting Canon, it's something you can really grow into with cameras. Like seriously. All right, let's take a look at that back weight again, chat. Little bear paw. Pretty nice. Super cute. I like this color a lot. Honestly, I'm just craving food right now because I'm just like, energy level wise, completely burnt out. So I am totally in the market for some food right now. Ooh. I need to fine tune some of the stabs, but we'll do that here in a bit. Okay, dude, this looks good. Wait a second. This looks really nice like this. GMK Striker in red would look dope. Yeah, I think so too. What do we think of these stabs, guys? Ooh, dude, this looks good. I mean, I think this desk pad's also like doing this complete justice as well. This looks nice, dude. I like this. This looks really nice. There's a side profile. Typical wedge, nothing really inherently special. There's this theme there too. It's a little bit visible. Ever so slightly. There's the white bear. I think this is the aluminum one you guys said. And there we guys go. Front angle there. So now this is a little bit different from the Bear V1, which I believe the Bear V1 had a different like internal system. This is a little bit more, I'd say, like well thought out. We are using aluminum plate. We are using a hot swap PCB. We are using mid foam on this because I really like, I don't know why, I just love mid, like the sound profile of mid plate foam. I find it like mellows out long pull switches, which is what we're using today. These are the blue bonnet switches from Zepsity. That's what we're using today. This is making me feel some type of way. Let's listen to what this sounds like, chat. I think if you use right shift over here for space, I'm not used to using that finger. Dude, the alpha sounds so good. I'm just typing in random stuff. For some reason, muscle memory with this board is not the best. This sounds, this left shift over here, this left space bar, again, we're not using the proper space bar for this. It is quieter. It does sound really good. It definitely sounds more in line with the alphas. Well, this sounds like more your typical space bar. Dude, I have to admit, the board sounds hella solid, dude. The board actually does sound super solid. It's very consistent. Like, everything sounds good. Again, without the mid-plate foam, it would probably sound a bit louder. But damn, this actually is really nice. I think this is a huge improvement from what I heard on Bear V1s. That looks so good, dude, in gray. That is such a good-looking keyboard right here. Again, I think that if you're a spacebar type of person, I think this does sound a lot more typical poppy. That's a little bit lower pitch. You can perhaps just, if you use mid-plate foam, just remove the foam there. Did Marcy did no foam and it still happened, then perhaps this is just the way it's built. I do think there's a gasket right here. So there is a leaf spring on the, or like one of the tabs on the gasket there, so that could be it too. You're a good looking keyboard? Yeah, dude, thank you. I appreciate that, Oak. That's you though. I'm pretty surprised by the sound with the mid-plate foam. Me too. Like I said, I do think the long pull switches are definitely like helping out with that too. That actually sounds really consistent. It just sounds like I'm typing on alphas. I really like this. This turned out really good. I'm very pleased with the results with this. And I might seem shocked because again, I heard like sound demos of the V1, and I've always kind of been like about the V1 sound wise. It's a beautiful keyboard. But the V1 sound wise was a bit for me. This sounds, I mean, again, maybe because I have it in front of me now, but this sounds really good. On top of that, it looks really good. Like, it's super cute. If you guys are into like the little bear logo, that's obviously there too. Someone making O-ring mounted Alice. I think, didn't someone do that? But I think this looks great with Dracula on it. This gray is beautiful. I'm a big fan of gray keyboards though. Like these dark gray keyboards, these gunmetals or space grays. Big sucker for them. Damn, that sounds good, dude. Take care, everybody. I'm gonna go rest my eyes a little bit. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm gonna go take a nap or something now. Bye, everybody. Take care.